Hi y'all, welcome to my house. These are the toys I got in recently. Got Ultra Magnus Fans toys. Got the She-Ra figure, love it. It looks good. There's my cat Tiger. There we got Mumra. The Super 7 packages are here. Yes, y'all. There they are. Let me bring them in. Yes, y'all. We got Mondo Lion over there. So, you're gonna witness me bringing the boxes in. Ultra Magnus. Yes, y'all. We'll put them over here with the fans toys. Yes, y'all. Hi, Ty. She-Ra. I love this figure. I'm gonna open that up. Yes, y'all. Got a beautiful. I can't recommend this enough. This is such a good figure. You got to get it. There's a beautiful She-Ra. Yes, y'all. And we'll look at that a little later. Yes, y'all. That's a beautiful figure. Let's bring in the Super 7 boxes. Yes, y'all. We got the box. Get this other big box in here. Yes, y'all. Gotta move some stuff around here. We've got room for this big box. Cats Lair, y'all. I tell you, look at the Cats Lair. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Let's open the box. Let's get this open. Yes, y'all. The guy just dropped it off now. Happy New Year. Start off the new year in a great way. Yes, y'all. There's the Cats Lair. Move the box out here. Yes, y'all. Check out the box. Big Cats Lair box. Yes, y'all. Got these G.I. Joes over here. Yes, y'all. Check out the box, y'all. We'll get box number 2 out. Hi, Ty. Yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. So that's the two boxes. Box 2. Box 1. Let's open that up. And the contents coming out. Yes, yes, y'all. Got a pod. Yes, yes, y'all. Got chairs. Yes, yes, y'all. Tiger's like, whoa. Yes, yes, y'all. Got more chairs. Yes, yes, y'all. Check that out. Got the camouflage tools. Got a staircase. Yes, yes, y'all. Tiger's like, whoa. Check out the tools, y'all. Got the big staircase. Got the stand for the Book of Omens, Sword of Omens. Yes, yes, y'all. Got Tiger's lab. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Got the table. Oops. Got a big table here. Yes, yes, y'all. Got the gun turret. Tiger, we got a big toy. Gun turret, another one. Yes, yes, y'all. Key of Thundera. Yes, yes, y'all. Looks kind of cheap. Key of Thundera. That looks kind of cheap. Yes, yes, y'all. Fell for the gimmick. Yes, yes, y'all. Got these tables. Yes, yes, y'all. Got most of this out. And I got another pod. Yes, yes, y'all. Tiger Lee, Tiger Lee. Reopening box 101. Got more chairs. Yes, yes, y'all. Unboxing Cats Lair. Yes, yes, y'all. That's what we got in there. Take the styrofoam out. We got a big Cats Lair. Yes, y'all. Move this box. Got all the contents out. Let's move this box. Yes, y'all. That is the Cats Lair. It is gigantic. It's bigger than I could have ever imagined. Whoa, it is gigantic. Smells like paint. Gigantic. Yes, y'all. Cats Lair coming around. It's going good. Here's the lights. Yes, y'all. We'll look at that later. Get the scissor. It's awesome. So big. Bigger than I imagined. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. That is a big Cats Lair. Yes, y'all. Tiger got a big toy. And it opens nice. Ooh, just as promised. Nice Cats Lair. Just as promised. Yes, y'all. Leave it here for now. Yes, y'all. That is big. It takes up a lot of space. Yes, y'all. Let's open up box 2. Not as bad as I thought. Yes, y'all. Let's take out the contents of box 2. Yes, y'all. Tiger Meat is my toy. It's a big toy. Ooh, nice big head. Cats Lair head. Yes, y'all. Nice big Cats Lair head. Don't know how the lights work on this. Gotta read the instruction manual for that. Yes, y'all. And the big paws. Nice and light, nice and big. Yes, y'all. Big Cats Lair. And that's about it. No instruction manual. I don't think. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yo, check that out. That's Cats Lair. Yes, yes, y'all, check out Cats Lair. Yeah, we're gonna put it on the table. Yes, yes, y'all. Gonna put Cats Lair on the table. Let's see if I can lift this thing. It's a work of art. Yes, yes, y'all. There's the door. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Put this water bottle here. Want to check out the back. Put the pots in. Yeah, we'll keep those out there. We got the thunder tank over here. Yes, yes, y'all. I didn't see any instruction manuals in there. Nice ratcheted. And it fits there nicely. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. This is beautiful. This is a true work of art. Tiger Lily. You get the stairs there. Let's move this over here. Yes, yes, y'all. Cats Lair, y'all. A dream come true. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. That is Cats Lair. Nice, beautiful piece. Pretty self-explanatory, except for these lights. I'm not quite sure how that's going to work. Yes, yes, y'all. And we got to put the battery. We'll figure out the lights later. Let's see. There should be instruction manuals. I didn't see it. I got to look again. Scared that'll fall. Yes, yes, y'all. That is Cats Lair. That is a success. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. We got the table. Yes, yes, y'all. That is a success. Show it to you guys up close. And assemble that in like 19 minutes. There's Tiger and the Thundercats Cats Lair. Gotta put the batteries in there. Yes, yes, y'all. We got the gates. Go into Cats Lair. Yes, yes, y'all. Beautiful work of art. We got the table. We got Tiger's Lab. We got a cheap key. Yeah. Check this out, man. It's awesome. Nice. Yes, yes, y'all. Panthro's workbench, and we got these to hang up in there. So that is the first look, y'all. What do you think? I shared it with you guys first. Yes, yes, y'all. On that Go to channel, we even got the Thunder Tank parked out there. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's put these figures in here. There's Bengali. There's Panthro. Tiger losing his whip. Yes, yes, y'all. Tiger balancing. Pumra, a villain. Yes, yes, y'all. Gonna play with this a little bit more, but for now, this is the unboxing. Yes, yes, y'all. First look at the playset. Yes, yes, y'all. Got the Samo flange in here. Yes, yes, y'all. And Linos. Let's get Lino, Lord of the Thundercats. Get him out here. I got him in Jaga's cape. And the villain Mirror Lino. Yes, yes, y'all.